want to rank your Facebook posts using AI-powered SEO and get more reach without ads. In this video, I am using SEO with AI to create a high-ranking Facebook caption. This is OpenyHool AI SEO Tools, an all-in-one AI solution that helps in every sector of SEO, including website optimization, digital marketing, content writing, and social media growth. OpenyHool AI can analyze websites, find powerful keywords, optimize pages, and generate SEO-friendly descriptions for blogs, products, ads, and marketing content. But in this video, I am focusing on Facebook post SEO. Here, I am using OpenyHool AI to generate an SEO-optimized Facebook caption. The AI selects the right keywords, creates a strong hook, structures the caption properly, and adds engagement triggers so the post can rank better on Facebook. Instead of guessing what to write, OpenyHool AI shows how SEO works for Facebook captions in real time. You type a simple idea, and OpenyHool AI converts it into a Facebook-ready caption designed to get more reach, likes, comments, and shares. This same AI tool can also be used for website SEO, marketing descriptions, product descriptions, and ad copy. But Facebook post ranking is one of its strongest features. OpenyHool AI makes SEO simple, fast, and effective for everyone: beginners, content creators, marketers, freelancers, startups, and businesses. No complicated setup, no technical skills required. Many features are completely free. So in this video, you are not just seeing a caption being written. You are seeing how AI-powered SEO helps Facebook posts perform better. If you want to rank Facebook posts and also manage all your SEO needs in one place, start using OpenyHool AI SEO Tools today. OpenyHool AI, smart tools for smart SEO and social growth. OpenyHool is free now for use. Let's explore.